Once received, all complaints are reviewed and processed as follows. Complaints are reviewed to ensure there is sufficient information to proceed. If sufficient information is provided, a case is created in the Compliance Investigation Manager system and later assigned to an immigration inspector for investigation. Once an investigation is complete, it is forwarded to the Principal Compliance Officer for review, followed by a final evaluation conducted by the Compliance Manager. Exceptional circumstances often require a complaint to be forwarded to the Minister for a final decision. In the event of a fine, the review process is escalated to the Chief Immigration Officer, who has the authority under Section 71 of the Bermuda Immigration and Protection Act 1956 to levy the requisite penalty. The two most common complaints received are employers or employees suspected of breaching the work permit policy and individuals who remain in Bermuda past the date permitted. The Department of Immigration relies heavily on information provided by the public to investigate potential breaches. Of the matters currently under investigation or being managed by the Department of Immigration, as of January 2020 to present, I can provide the following statistics. General investigations, which resulted from information received from the public, total 55. Civil penalty investigations, which are initiated when there are reasons to suspect an individual or institution has breached immigration law, total 15. Deportation and escorts off island, total 15. Marriage applications in the process of verifying persons are lawfully living on island, total 431. As part of police investigations, requests for individuals' travel records, total 59. Individuals placed on stop lists, total 17, and individuals who have applied to have their name removed from the stop list, total 10. In closing, I recognize that some individuals may be reluctant to report persons or companies who may have breached Bermuda's immigration laws and policies. However, the public involvement is critically vital. Thank you.
Thank you, Minister, for that. At this time, I will invite Gareth Finnegan from the Royal Gazette to ask some questions of the Minister. Let's give him a moment to join us. Gareth, are you there?
I'm here, Michael, yeah.
Okay, do you have a video?
Oh, it would seem not.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Okay, proceed with your questions.
Unfortunately, I couldn't hear anything at all that the Minister had to say. Good morning, Minister. But it was just constantly breaking up the link, I'm afraid. So I'll have to go back and review it. I suppose really the question I had beforehand is how much of an issue is this? How many complaints about immigration breaches are received? Excuse me. And how many are actually? Does it transpire that there have actually been breaches and people have to leave the island? Is it a common occurrence?
So certainly, as stated in the press statement, in terms of general investigations received from complaints from the public, there have been 55 investigations.
Good grief.
Civil penalty investigations have been 15. We've had 15 deportations.
Right.
And what I would say is I outlined the procedure in the press conference, but all complaints that are provided to the Department of Immigration are reviewed to determine whether investigation are necessary.
Right. Okay, really, I'm sorry, Minister, but that's really the only question I can ask because, as I said, I didn't hear anything of your press conference at all. I had you on video, but it just kept on breaking up. So perhaps if it's okay with yourself and Michael, if I could, once I've had a chance to go through the video again, perhaps I could email you some questions if I do have further questions. Would that be okay?
Certainly, questions will be welcome, but the crux of the press conference today is to encourage residents who may observe breaches to our immigration laws and policies to make a complaint.
Understood. Minister, thank you so much for your time. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Gareth. And you have my email, so definitely forward any questions that you have once you review the press statement.
I'll do that, Michael. Thank you so much.
All right. You're welcome.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye. All right, Minister, that is the end of the press conference. We have no further questions. Members of the public and the media, thank you again for attending. Minister, any closing remarks?
Again, I would just like to encourage all individuals who observe breaches to our immigration laws and policies to make formal complaints in the press statement and in following social media. We will ensure that we provide all the relevant contact information that is necessary for you to successfully make a complaint.
All right, thank you, Minister, and thank you all, and have a great day.